Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by adding the music file to your project so Unity can reference it. This is why file format and sample rate matter. Once done, drag the clip into Assets and adjust its import settings to optimize memory. Next, create an empty game object and name it Music Manager so you have a single, persistent place for audio control. Make sure to set Don't Destroy on Load later. This prevents interruption between scenes. These first steps prepare Unity to play background music reliably. Now you attach an audio source to Music Manager because it's the component that actually plays sound. You assign your imported clip, set loop to true for continuous play, and choose spatial blend equals 0 so it acts as 2D background music. If you prefer script control, leave play on awake unchecked and call audio source. Play from code. Also tune volume and priority to keep music balanced against effects. This gives you precise control over how and when music plays. Finish by creating a tiny music controller script that checks for an existing music manager and calls Don't Destroy on Load so music survives scene changes. This prevents duplicate players. Once implemented, expose a public toggle method for UI mute or volume sliders. If you hit silence, verify there is exactly one audio listener in the scene, confirm the clip isn't set to streaming if it's tiny, and inspect your audio mixer routing. These steps close the loop and solve the most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.